Hello guys, this is Your Life and today we will be talking about MacBook adapter or charger. So the MacBook has various type of chargers. This one is 85 volt MagSafe 2 power adapter. So you have to keep in mind that what power of your laptop or MacBook has and what type of port it has got. So 85 watt is for 15-inch retina display MacBook Pro, and I don't know which other model supports it, but I personally use for this MacBook Pro 15-inch retina display. And this is the charger and various stuff inside it, various documentation and other things. So just go through your laptop and previous charger for details and keep the snapshot of it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.